Okay, this is week 21, cycle 3, science, probability, and events, blueberry pancakes. For this, they will need a die per student. Those will be provided. They'll be in your classrooms with your supplies. And for the older classes, so that would be Miss Marcy's class and above, they'll have a sheet with the circles already there, and they'll just number them, and they'll keep their dots on there. But for Miss Amy, Miss Kimberly, and Miss Velica, I want you to do this on the board and have the students rotate, rolling the die. Instead of this little tiny die for you all, I have 3 large foam dice that I will leave one in each of your classrooms. It's a lot bigger, and it'll be something that they can put their hands on, and it will be more exciting to them than just this really small one. So I'll make sure to leave one of those, and then your students will just rotate, rolling. For the first initial warm-up, we will be rolling 15 times to see how many blueberries each of our pancakes are going to have. So the activity goes like this. Boys and girls, I have enough blueberry batter or pancake batter to make 6 pancakes. 6 pancakes. And in my pancake batter, I have 15 blueberries. 15 blueberries. Now we're going to roll our die to see which one of our pancakes gets the blueberries and how many we're going to end up with. So do you think that all of our pancakes will get at least 1 blueberry? You do? Okay. Well, how many of you think that maybe this pancake won't get any blueberries? A few? Okay. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, so then we're going to do this 15 times. All right, so we're going to roll, and the number that's on the die corresponds to that pancake. So number 6 gets a blueberry. Number 2 gets a blueberry. Number 5 gets a blueberry. Number 2 gets a blueberry. 3. 4 gets a blueberry. 3. Okay, that was 15. So now let's look at our results. Boys and girls, what is the probability that every pancake is going to get at least 1 blueberry? Do all 6 of our pancakes have at least 1 blueberry? Yes, so our probability would be 6 out of 6. Okay, boys and girls, what's the probability that all of our pancakes will have 2 or more blueberries? 2 or more blueberries. Well, all of these except for number 4 have 1. So how many would that be? That's right, it would be 5 out of 6. Okay, boys and girls, what's the probability that our pancakes will have 3 or more blueberries? 3 or more blueberries. Well, this one doesn't have 3, this one doesn't, and this one doesn't. So how many do? 2, 3. 3, that's right. 3 over 6. Oh, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. We can reduce, which would be 1/2. My bad, not mathing well tonight. So 1/2. Okay. Now, what are the odds of having 3 or more? 4 or, would we do 3 or more? 4 or more. Okay, so how many have 4 or more? Only this one. So it would be 1/6. 1/6. Okay, that's the warm-up. That's what you do. You do it, you discuss your results. Then, for the big classes, they will have their own sheet and their own die. And you're going to say, okay, class, you have pancake batter to make 6 pancakes as well. But in your pancake batter, you have 30 blueberries. So I want you to roll to see how many blueberries each of your 6 pancakes are going to get. So they would do the same thing, but they're going to do this 30 times. 30 times. So they're going to roll, and it is kind of difficult to keep up with, so they may have to pause for a second and check it, but I'm not going to roll 30 times, but you get the idea. And then the same thing goes again. They're going to do it until they get their 30, and then they're going to look at their odds. And I did this once before, and 2 of my pancakes didn't get any blueberries. Now that was when I did it for the 15. So it's a possibility. The odds are not highly likely, but there's a possibility that they could end up with 1 pancake or more than 1 pancake that don't get any of the blueberries. So then they're going to discuss their results with you, and then also compare their results to their peers in their class to see which pancakes overall in the class got the most. Like, did 6 have the most pancakes for every student, or did 6 have the least pancakes? So this is where you can make the you can stretch the exercise out. You can stretch the experiment out. So that is really all. It's a very simple one, just a die and a tally sheet. Now for Miss Villica, Miss Amy, and Miss Kimberly, again, I'll have the large foam, 1 for each of your classrooms, and you will just let the students rotate, rolling, and then you or mom can calculate the results, and then you can discuss it. And that's all. So this is week 21, cycle 3, probability and events, blueberry pancakes.